didn't come. Please, 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 don't go right.
And please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice.
Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Please, 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 Budo.
Maybe he's on his way. Don't be mad.
Okay then, just wait for him here. But don't sleep, you fool.
Yeah, yeah. Don't wag when I'm sleeping, okay?
Out of exhaustion, they both fall asleep. A few minutes later, they wake up. They're confused because the place is not familiar to them. They're transported to the house of God.
I'm just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5. Came out I pay the price. I just want to be left alone in my average home. But I always feel like when the twilight's on and I always feel like somebody watching me. And I just I always feel like somebody's watching me. And please, please just tell me this is just a dream. What the hell are you two? Biff? Happy? You're my boys?
This is not the tree, Didi. Where's the barracoon? The whisper of silence.
Perhaps the road changes clothes. Perhaps Godot sent us to the salesman's house.
Boys, we're nothing but shadows waiting for a man who never arrives.
And you, old man, you wait for the door that never opened. Tell me, what do you sell? Dream or despair?
You asked me that question. I sell hope, opportunity, the promise of tomorrow that will be better.
But the world doesn't buy it anymore.
We too are merchants anyway. We trade minutes for eternity. We sell nothing, but yet we own everything.
We wait for Godot, a savior, or maybe just a name we give to silence.
Biff and Happy entered during mid-argument, but freeze when they see Didi and Grover.
Why are these guys in dollar hats? Are you customers?
Customers? No, not us. We are pilgrims of the absurd, refugees from a road that lives forever.
Always waiting. Always hungry. Like your father. You only wait for applause instead of Godot.
Don't you dare talk to me like that. I have worked for 40 years. For 40 goddamn years carrying this suitcase, selling and begging for their respect. And what did I get? You wanna know? I only got silence.
Silence, yes, that is our Godot. Perhaps we've been waiting at the wrong house all along.
What if Godot is inside your box? Open it!
See it for yourself. Nothing. Paper. Empty promises. That's always inside the skittles.
That's right. The case is coffin. Every contract, every false man, it's been burying him alive.
Don't say that. That is great, man. People respect him. Your heads, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. Get by with a smile. You can win at everything that you can try. Baby, you don't have that I want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. You're gonna stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. We'll get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life.
Respect is another good old spoken of, never seen.
You call him great because our expected, but neither comes.
So, you talk about a man who never comes, and I keep on chasing a dream that keeps on running away. Now then, tell me you two, are we not the same?
Two roads, one destination. The tree that never bears fruit. The house that never fills with love.
Or maybe crossing intervals means something. Or maybe Budo wears a salesman suit.
Or maybe, Dad has been waiting for Budong his whole life, but never knew it.
Yeah,
Willie trembles, touching his briefcase as if it were his heart. Daisy gently places the tree beside him.
Here, the tree and the keys. One stands barren. One carries weight, crushing. Between them, the human soul dangles.
And we wait. Always wait.
Maybe Guto never comes because he's already here. In our hunger, in our depths, in our waiting.
Or maybe he's late. Always